Hi there, Lisa at National Hardware. Right now I have this barbecue. We want to barbecue this weekend, so we're going to give it a test. It's been sitting out here, homemade barbecue. So I'm having a feeling about this Jaymor's here. It's been about 3 years this December. We're going to put a little bit on here. And we can use this safely knowing that it is non-flammable, so we have no worries about that. And there you have it, just very simple. Not even applying any pressure. Put a little bit right here where it slides. So this is a corrosion inhibitor, so this is going to help it from rusting and keep it nice, last a lot longer. Go back. Not sure about the squeak. One last time. Definitely moving a lot easier. We're going to go ahead and do this side over here, do a little test. There's more resistance. I can't just push it like it was. So let's go ahead and do a little bit up here on the top. I'm going to go on the sides here where it rolls down as well. This will actually penetrate the rust if there happens to be any rust. That's what's nice about it. And it's non-water soluble, so that's why it lasts so long as well. Hit all these little spots here. Alright. Oh, this one's a lot easier. Anyone ready for a barbecue?